Hey everybody, Bob Razzulli, Orange County, California. Welcome to I4I Academy. Guys, I put together a training course about the ASME Section 9. It's a 16-hour, 2 days of video training program. It's not the boring PowerPoint presentation with a nice voiceover. This is a real me in the class with the pressure vessel in here and test coupon, and also we're going to have an imaginary pressure vessel with a 3-inch wall thickness, which is required to have a WPS and a PQR and welder performance qualification. By the chance this imaginary pressure vessel didn't get exempted from the impact testing by the construction code, then the WPS and PQR needs to be qualified by the impact testing. So we're gonna have a WPS and PQR without impact testing and the one with impact testing. Through the course, we're gonna go to the Article 1, Article 2, 3, 4, and review all the requirements. We're gonna see what's the A number, what is the F number, what is the P number, and we're gonna see what is the essential variables, what is the non-essential variables, what is the supplementary essential variables, and how they work with the welding procedure specification and welder performance qualification. And after we reviewed all the requirement for a different material type and a different kind of a welding process, then we're gonna go to our portal for exam questions. There are almost 200 exam questions there that you're gonna go and take those tests, and this is gonna challenge you. You might go back and forth between the video trainings and your handout and back to come to the exam questions and practice those exam questions. And 50 out of 200 exam questions is going to be about 5 WPS and PQRs that we're going to provide to you and going to ask you to check them for correctness. So it's going to send you to a certain part of the WPS and PQR to see, you have to check to see if that part of the WPS or PQR is correct. So I'm sure this training course, a 16-hour training course, is cumulatively, the part of the video, handout, review, and exam question is going to take you to the next level. There's going to be a final exam, and if you pass the final exam, which I'm sure you're going to pass it if you follow through the instruction, and then you're going to receive a certificate from the I4I Academy with my signature. And to see how this course is fit for you, I put some video parts down below. You can check them. It's more than an hour, I think so. It's in there. You can check them, and also provided the access for anyone, any person wants to check the portal for an exam question to see how those exam questions are. And then if you can see this course is fit and it's gonna benefit you, you can enroll on the course. Thank you for your kind attention.